Hello class 9, I am revising Nazism and rise of Hitler from history. Today I will discuss with you Hitler's rise to power. You know very well that in First World War Germany defeated and the condition of Germany was very poor economically as well as politically. Actually during the First World War Hitler was recruited in the German army and he saw everything which was going on with the Germany. During the First World War, Hitler was in the army, and after the First World War, the condition of Germany was very poor, and that is why Hitler decided to do something with the Germany. That is why you may see the condition of Germany after First World War was not good. Why? Because politically and economically Germany was very weak. You may see that now I will tell you in this video the rise of power of Hitler. Hitler, was born in Austria in which year? In 1885. And you may see that he recruited himself. He was recruited in the German army during the First World War, and when he was in German army during the First World War and after the defeat of German army, he saw the poor condition of Germany. That is why in 1919 you may see that Hitler established a political party in Germany, and that political party name was German Workers' Party, which later came to be known as National Socialist German Workers' Party. Please keep this thing in your mind that earlier German Workers' Party was established by Hitler, and later on it renamed was National Socialist German Workers' Party, which was finally known what? The Nazi Party. You know very well that Nazi Party was established finally by the Hitler, and I have told to you that Nazi was a type of ideology, Nazi was a type of system which was established by Hitler in Germany to run Germany with a proper way according to the Hitler. Now I will going to discuss, you may see very well that in the year of 1929, when the whole world, there was a global crisis, economical crisis at that time during the Great Depression. You may see the people of Germany was suffering from the economic problem. They were moving here and there for getting job. There was a problem of their livelihood. There was an economical crisis, and in this time the German people were trying to search a type of person which can give them solution of all their problem. That is why you may see when the Germany was suffering from all this problem, the political workers of this particular Hitler's political party were moving here and there, and they were hearing the problem of the Germans people. Now you may see that I have written here, Nazism became a mass movement. How mass movement? Why? Because the workers of German party or the National Socialist German Workers' Party were moving and they were listening the problem of the German people. Now, and in 1932, Nazi became the largest party. Why? Because at that time the Nazi party gained the support of the German people. You may see that Hitler, was a powerful speaker. You may see that Hitler was a very good speaker. There was a type of attractive personality of a speaker, and Hitler, attract the people. And this particular attraction was such a manner that the German people started to believe on the Hitler. They started to accept the Nazi party. They started to accept the Hitler. That is why you may see that Hitler promised to the people of Germany that whatever problems are there in the Germany, that all problems will remove by the Hitler. Now you may see I have written here also, devised a new style of politics when Hitler promised that Hitler will remove all the problems of Germany. Hitler will form a new German, a strong nation, that is German. for that Hitler, formed a new politics, and in according to this politics, Hitler started to conduct big rallies, and in this particular rallies I have written the massive or big rallies for public support, and in this particular rallies Hitler accepted those things which were really connected to the people, socially. Now the red banners were used, the swastik was used, and Hitler was observed, or Hitler was accepted as a Messiah or as a God for the German people. Now all the German people were ready to accept Hitler as a Messiah or as a God, that this particular Hitler will remove all the problems of Germany. Now you may see it was a time when there was a rise of power of the Hitler. Now I am coming to the next stage of the Hitler's rise to power. The destruction of democracy. You may see when Hitler was, or the Nazi party was the largest party in Germany, Hitler, got the chancellorship of Germany. And by whom was this chancellorship offered to the Hitler? That was the president of Germany, that name was Hindenburg. In which year? 13 January 1933. It was the time when Hitler got a very important, post or very important power in Germany. Now you may see here I have written the mysterious fire in parliament. You may see that there was a time to destroy what? The democracy. That is why we find there was a fire where in the parliament and all the important documents related to the democracy were destroyed. And after this particular incident, Hitler, passed the fire decree. A decree is a type of law, and according to this fire decree, all the freedom of speech, all the freedom of press were removed or were taken by the Hitler. And after that, you may see Hitler passed the Enabling Act, and according to this act, democracy was totally removed from Germany and dictatorship was established in Germany. According to this particular dictatorship, Hitler took all the power of Germany. After that, you may see according to this Enabling Act, dictatorship was established and all political parties of Germany were, you may see, banned except Nazi party. After establishing his good condition in Germany, Hitler started to recruit the army in his favor in Germany. You may see I have written the special security forces were created for what? And this particular security force will work only and only for the Nazi party, and only they will work in the favor of the Hitler in Germany. So it was the time when Hitler was in power, and then what happened? Germany moved ahead from democracy to dictatorship under the Nazism or under the Hitler. I hope you understood. I will send the question answer from this video. Thank you very much.